Hi guys, we're going to have a look today at creating a chat activity in Moodle 2.3. Probably one of the easiest activities to set up, and actually probably one of the most useful as well for your students. I've got one set up already. This is a homework hangout, and I've chosen to display the description on my course page here. Just let me point out something as well. Upcoming events blog. So it publishes the time as well. So just quite handy to show that to you. So your students going onto your course, they'll know what time the this particular chat will occur at. So I'll take you through some of the settings that I've chosen for this particular chat. Turn editing on your Moodle 2.3 course. So if you're setting up a chat from scratch, add an activity and then choose chat, run through the settings. Let me show you the settings that I've got on this one here. So my idea for this one is a place where students can drop in same time every week. So as I showed you on the course front page, that time is published as well. I'm choosing to have it at 7 o'clock in the evening every week, every Monday. So that information I've also put into the description here, the introduction text, and I've given the chat a name as well. So the chat activity allows the students to log into your Moodle course and have real-time synchronous, that's the word, real-time synchronous discussion, so they're typing away and they can reply to each other. The chat only works as well as your students. If there's only one or two students use it, then it won't prove particularly useful. You can choose to save the sessions as well, and you can choose who you want to see those past sessions. So I've chosen that I want everybody to be able to see these past sessions so that they can refer to them in the future if they need to. The other settings are you'll see on a lot of the activities in Moodle, so you can choose different groups. These two settings, those are advanced settings, so your site administrator will need to enable them. So you can choose to restrict access to your chat by certain conditions. So for instance, they may have to submit an assignment piece of homework before they can go into the chat and discuss it. You can also choose to mark it as completed as well if the students have viewed the chat activity too. So there we go. Very easy to set up, very easy to use. Let me just show you what it looks like then if I go save and display. I'm going to click onto a past chat session, and you'll be able to see any previous chat sessions there. So for instance, from the previous weeks, I've only just set this up, so there's very little in there. Let me just show you this one. This was a demo one, just me typing hello. Let me show you what it looks like when it's live. So I don't know if you noticed on that last screen it showed you the time as well. So there we go. And there's a couple of different choices as well how you want to display the chat activity. So chat activity allows your pupils to, I'll go back to my main course page, allows your pupils to have live online chats. So why do this in Moodle when they can do it on a number of different social networking sites? Well, for younger kids it provides them a much safer place to practice this kind of social online social interaction. You could invite guest speakers onto your course to participate in a one-off chat event with your students. Or as I've done here, you could have a regular daily chat or weekly chat, or you could just use it for your students to hang out with each other, again in a safe, controlled environment. So there we go, that's a chat activity for Moodle 2.3. Have a play, dead easy to set up. Thanks for listening.